Ethan retired at 41. Not 55, not 65. 41 years old. He was an ordinary IT technician. He started by investing $800 a month and slowly increased it as his salary grew. That bought him 14 years of freedom. No lottery win, no inheritance, no crypto gamble. In this video, you'll hear the 3 stages that got him there, and why most people never make it past stage 1. Ethan started with nothing at 21. His first move was simple. He set up an automatic transfer of 10% of his salary into savings before he touched anything else. Then he made the mistake most beginners make. He jumped into investing with real money straight away. He bought speculative biotech stocks, lost 60%, and felt like an idiot. But those losses became his real education. He kept the mistakes small and affordable. Those early losses cost him $2,000, but they taught him a lesson worth hundreds of thousands. He replaced the $2,000 within 2 months from his salary and turned himself into a learning machine. He listened to finance podcasts on walks. He watched investing videos with dinner. In 2 years, he had $16,000 saved. That came mainly from discipline, not from investment genius. Here's the trap. Once you have $20,000 or $50,000, you start to feel rich. Ethan's parents offered him $10,000 for a house deposit. He said no. Why? Because taking money out of investments is like pulling a snowball off the hill halfway down. You kill your momentum. By his mid-20s, Ethan focused on boring, profitable companies at sensible valuations. Think large, steady businesses, big tech, strong consumer brands, nothing flashy. Meanwhile, his friend Marcus made over $1 million on a startup. Did Ethan chase that? No. He knew the difference between luck and strategy. Later, Marcus lost it all on another gamble. The lesson is simple. Resist lifestyle inflation. That Lamborghini you see on the road? You're also looking at someone who is a Lamborghini poorer. Ethan kept his lifestyle flat and steadily increased how much he invested each month, even as colleagues upgraded their lives. At 29, Ethan's portfolio dropped 40%. It fell back below $80,000. Most people would panic at that point. He didn't. He had prepared for this in his head long before it happened. While others sold in fear, Ethan bought quality companies at bargain prices. Over the next 2 years, his returns were 30%, and then 45%. He didn't obsess over the daily numbers. He focused on the process. By sticking to that process, Ethan reached around $1 million by age 41. Over half of that came from investment returns. The rest came from steadily increasing how much he invested as his salary grew. He had bought himself 14 years of freedom. Ethan wasn't extraordinary. He earned an average salary. He made solid, long-term returns, roughly in line with the stock market. He simply stayed consistent and increased his investing as his income rose. If he could do it, so can you.